Welcome back. Do you love the idea of healthy eating but are not sure how to balance the fine line between health and taste, especially in Ramadan? Well, let's watch Chef Tarun cook up some really healthy yet delicious recipes in today's Pinch of Health.
Hello everyone, this is Tarun, your chef de cuisine. Welcome to Pinch of Health. It's Ramadan time. A lot of people have asked me how to stay healthy and eat healthy during this time. I'm going to bring Moroccan flavors onto your table. So we are going to cook couscous with meatballs in spicy, sweet, tangy sauce. So let's check the ingredients. We have fresh garlic, paprika powder, cumin powder, salt, black pepper powder, couscous, brown breadcrumbs, eggs, fresh parsley, onion, bell peppers, tomato, jalapeno, minced chicken breast, olive oil, hot water. Let's start with couscous. Three tablespoons of couscous. Let's add hot water. 1.5 cup. Pinch of salt. One spoon of olive oil, and I'm going to mix it. I'm gonna keep it aside. It's time to make meatballs. We will take mixing bowl, 3 spoons of minced chicken here, brown breadcrumbs, around 1 tablespoon, salt, black pepper, fresh parsley, one single egg, now it's time to mix in. Always remember to mix it properly so that all the flavors should mix it with the chicken, including the parsley. Our meatball mixture is ready and we are going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Until the meatball mixture is set, we are going to start with the sauce. So our veggies are ready. So pan is hot now. Let's add olive oil. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Chopped garlic. Sliced onions. So we'll saute onion and garlic for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the color come out. I'm gonna add jalapenos, sliced bell peppers, it's time to add spices. One small teaspoon of paprika, salt, black pepper, cumin powder. Now we'll add our tomatoes. I'm going to add hot water, about 1 cup. And let it simmer. So till our sauce gets ready, it's time to make our meatballs. Let's roll the meatballs. So our meatballs are ready. Let's check out the sauce. Wow, smelling delicious. So I think our sauce is done. Let's cook the meatballs. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Let's grease the pan with olive oil. So let's take the meatball. As you can see, I'm doing it on a very low quantity of olive oil. So flip it once it's done. This is what I'm looking for, nice golden color. So I think they are done. Let's take them out on paper. Let's put our meatballs into the sauce. And mix it smoothly. So meatballs are still tender, so while you mix them, just go easy. Let's check on our couscous. Completely cooked. So we'll plate it in a traditional Moroccan tagine. Let's start with couscous. Tender meatballs in spicy, tangy tomato sauce. So we'll garnish it with some mixed nuts. It's very filling, it's very healthy, and I'm sure you will enjoy this cooking at your home during Ramadan. Iftar is incomplete without a refreshing drink. Let's make that. So now we are going to make watermelon Chia Fresca. It's going to be very hydrating drink for your summers. Let's check the ingredients. We have chia seeds, fresh watermelon, lemon. So we'll start with watermelon. So how about quarter of watermelon? We'll take fresh mint leaves, lemon. We'll take quarter of lemon. Squeeze lemon juice. So watermelon, mint, lemon, they are all common for their cooling effect. So it's going to be a very refreshing drink. So I'm going to strain my watermelon juice. Pour it slow and steady. So watermelon juice is completely strained. Let's add chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and we are going to mix it. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and once the seeds are popped, it's ready to consume. Watermelon Chia Fresca. Now the finishing touch, a slice of watermelon. Couscous with meatballs, watermelon Chia Fresca is ready to go. That's all for today. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care, keep watching Z Connect. Ramadan Kareem to you all. Let's take a quick recap. We will start with couscous. 3 tablespoons of couscous, 1.5 cup hot water, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix it and keep it aside. Let's take another bowl for the meatballs. 3 spoons of minced chicken, 1 tablespoon brown breadcrumbs, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, fresh chopped parsley, 1 egg. Mix it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. 2 tablespoons olive oil, chopped garlic, sliced onions, jalapenos, sliced bell peppers. It's time to add spices. 1 small teaspoon of paprika, salt, black pepper, cumin powder. Now we'll add our tomatoes. Hot water, about 1 cup, and let it simmer. Let's roll the meatballs. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. So flip it once it's done. Let's put our meatballs into the sauce. and mix it smoothly. Cous Cous. Nuts. For watermelon Chia Fresca, quarter of cut watermelon, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves, small wedge of fresh lemon for lemon juice, blend it completely and strain it into serving glass. Chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon, a slice of watermelon.